Welcome back, guys. CryptoFella channel. Today, I would like to show you just a quick updates for Shiba Inu, SHIB USDT trading pair with my customer Chris. Let's dive in, guys. Just like example, this is what are people looking for from memes from all altcoins. So people compare the previous cycle. People waiting something like accumulation, pump, correction, long time consolidation. Just a 3 months summer here, May 2021. September 21, and pump like crazy. For all tokens, people wait the same pattern. Let's be real. Some tokens will perform like this one, some not. So this time it's absolutely different, and there is a lot of macro, the geopolitical things around the institutional now. So not all altcoins will hit the new all-time high. I don't think so. The SHIB will hit the new all-time high. Let's be real, because it will be the crazy capitalization. Or they have to burn or remove some tokens from supply, right? We will see. Globally, guys, I'm always about a conservative price target. So now we formed the just tiny range and still a lower high. This one. So this is a downtrend structure, right? Definitely, even in a monthly time frame. We already sweep. Here was a low of August 24. Here we form the full fill of monthly gap, drop, bounce, come back, sweep the low in April 25. And now what we can see next? If just condition, so let's be real again, if we will see the new war between the United States and Iran, all market can crash like in a COVID dump, and after that rebounds more aggressive. How low the crash can be for SHIB? Technically, it can be the sweep of this low of June 23 and the full fill of a monthly gap 0.550 or 40 here. It was, I guess, 5041. From these current prices, it can be the drop 65%. It's a drop 65%, but after that, to recover back to the break even, we need to pump 170%. So that's the point. So if you wanna accumulate now, up to your own risk, because if we drop it here, to recover back at the break even, you don't need, you don't have to wait like easy bounce 68% back. No, you have to see the 70% back. That's kind of big difference. That's why, guys, a capitulation, of course, it's a sweep of this liquidity pool, test and close the monthly favorable gap. It's hard to say, will we see the World War III or not? I think the war, let's be real, this is not a geopolitical channel, but I think the World War III is already, we're already in. So, because just the people think the World War III should be like nuclear bombs everywhere, some robots around. No, we're ready. We're ready in World War III since the Ukraine and Russia war starts, because almost all countries in the world joined that war, and now we will see another one in Iran, maybe not. So let's hope we will see some negotiation, right, for that conflict again, and so the market will bounce. So, like conclusion, capitulation, guys, with this block, I hope we will not see that test, because now, by sentiment, I think and I feel like they create some sentiment now on the market, like everybody should capitulate, everybody should sell and out of the market, because we go into the bear market. But this is exactly the time what we're looking for, right, for the upside move. So usually, because we take a risk or not. So just a rhetoric question, and just ask yourself, what's the point in this case? Drop the token that low for what? To make everybody rich again? I don't think so. That's why bullish targets, guys. If this is a range, we already formed deviation. If it's a deviation, next deviation should be here. So based on risk reward, right? It's logical to accumulate, to take a risk now on SHIB, right? but with the proper money management and risk management. We can't know the macro. We can't know what will happen in the next 24 hours. We can't know are the United States start bombing the Iran or not. We can't know. And we analyze the current chart, and it's a fact, because the people in the crypto space, the people always trying to be not profitable, the people trying to be right. Who cares if you're right or wrong if you're not making money, not make a profit from that? That's why, guys, I'm now on a sideline. I'm just wait. Spot position already formed. I'm just wait my target. In, out, simple. Futures position, I'm not touching now any token because I'm waiting. I'm better skip the trade than I just randomly gamble by luck. Globally, I'm more bullish than bearish. I think and I hope everything will be okay in the next few days. So it's just some fear on the market, some fear in the world. So more people out of the market. And if it's true, right? So yes, the deviation will be 331%. And yes, guys, maybe this will be the end of cycle for SHIB. So yes, it's around 423%. In general, it will be around 1000% gains for SHIB around here, let's say, like this one. Around here, the people will start screaming, we're going to the moon, we're going to new all-time high and all of this stuff. Crazy pumps, it's if the SHIB will cut 0.301, crazy capitalization, crazy market capitalization again, but I have no idea why the SHIB should pump, because now a lot of brand new meme coins in the meme sector, right? That's why, guys, let's be real. Not all altcoins, not all meme coins pump it again and again and again to new all-time high every next cycle. So let's be real. You can open the meme coins in 2017, right? 2021, and double check. Not all coins pump that much. A lot of coins just vanish from the market. So if it's a range deviation format, now based on risk ratio, good time for accumulation up to your own risk. Capitulation, it's a crash 65% down. Yes, it can be the drop like COVID down, bounce, maybe even V-shaped recover move. Who knows? Who knows? Take a look also. What I always show you here is a drop, price action, bounce 50% or even more drop. Drop 50% bounce at least should be 0.4024 around here. So up to your own risk, guys. For me, of course, based on capitalization, based on a lot of other hype meme sector, meme coins in the meme sector, I don't think so. The SHIB will be one of the top performer this run again. Direction, we're in the accumulation zone. It's good. On the weekly time frame, we're in the accumulation. We see the main two liquidity pools about. Sooner or later, I believe we'll sweep that liquidity pools. So this is not a time to out of SHIB, definitely. This is a capitulation on the SHIB. It's good time to buy. Here's a capitulation in October 2023, pump. Here's a capitulation and still in accumulation zone. Everything more than okay, guys, looks for SHIB. But of course, based on just the macro and geopolitics, we can crash like crazy. But you know, the big difference between the Black Swan and some events which everybody waiting for, because now everybody ready to see the new war. So this is not a Black Swan. COVID, nobody could predict the COVID, the pandemic in the world. Now we are 3 years in a row. We are in the biggest war in the world since World War II. So another one war between the Israel and Iran, or United States and Iran, it's not so unpredictable. So this is not a Black Swan, you know. Maybe some nuclear drop. Yes, it will be a shock for everyone. Money power, no money inflow now. Trade on. Sell. Here's a sell, buy back, bounce, sell, buy back. No main signal to buy, guys. Daily, here, the last one and only buy was here. Here's a sell. Here's a buyback. So highly recommended, by the way, use my customer cassette to check what's going on with SHIB. Take profit indicator, guys. Take a look. The buy line on the daily, we already tested this line. Now it's 5089. Fundamental value it's 0.5066. Take profit is 0.4017. Exit line 0.4019. It's a daily. Weekly, we already tested. One, second time, third one. Would be good to see that test again. SHIB. Now it's zoom in. 0.401122 test this week. Buy line on the weekly. Fundamental value of this token is here. 0.5083. Take profit line on the weekly is 0.4022. Exit line 0.4025. So this is the way, guys. So this is a target. What is more than okay? Accumulate. If this is again like here was a February 22, right? So if we're around here, and we'll see the crash, it can be yes. This move dropped on the fundamental value. In this case, yes, we can consolidate one more year. That's why I don't see any reason why we have to drop like this now, consolidate 2 years, and only after that recover more to make everybody rich again. Because now a lot of people in stable coins. So guys, targets I showed you. Conclusion, I'm more bullish than bearish now on BTC to new all-time high, and BTC dominance should go down. And meme sector and meme coins will perform pretty good one, I think, once again, but not all of them will hit the new all-time high. If you'd like to trade with my custom indicator set, I highly recommend you use this set. Write me DM. Link will be under the description below. Subscribe channel, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.